children, how are you? Hope you all are doing good at home and taking good care of your health, right? So, kids, now in our today's class, Kavita ma'am will tell you the concept of before and after. Right? We all have done this concept in our previous classes also. Yes. So, we all know the meaning of before and after. Let us quickly revise this. Okay. So, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and then 9. Okay. So, if I ask what comes before 5, what comes before 5? So if I am saying before, that means we have to go backward, right? Before मतलब पहले. So 5 से पहले क्या आता है? It is 4, right? So what comes before 5? 4. And what comes after 5? We have to move forward. So what comes after 5? 6. Am I right? So we all are clear with this thing. We all know the meaning of before and after. So as we all have promoted to class 2 now, right? So we have to learn some new terminologies. Okay. So you know what? Before को हम और क्या बोल सकते हैं? We will learn to call it predecessor. What else we can call it? Predecessor. Before को हम क्या बोलेंगे? Predecessor. That means पहले वाला number. And after को we can call it successor. Successor मतलब बाद वाला number. Now let us try to understand the same with an example. Okay. So here is the number 24. So now what will be the predecessor of 24? Predecessor means पहले वाला number. So 24 का predecessor will be 23, right? And the successor of 24 will be 25. So the same thing we were doing. If Kavita ma'am will ask you that what will be the before number? What will be the before number of 24? What comes before 24? 23. And what comes after 24? It's 25. In the same manner, so before we can call it, before को और हम क्या बोलेंगे? Predecessor. And after को we can call it successor. Clear? Now you know what? If we have to calculate the predecessor and successor, so अगर हम given number में if we will minus 1, अगर हम given number में 1 को minus कर देंगे ना, then we will get the predecessor number. And if we will add 1 plus 1 करेंगे ना, then we will get the successor number. Let us try. Okay. So here the number 58. So if I have to calculate the predecessor of 58, so I will minus 1. So the number will be 57. Okay. And the successor will be 59. Okay. So 57 is 1 less from 58. And 59 is 1 more than 58. Okay. So now let us try to solve this before and after number with the 3 digits. Okay. But we all know the concept of before and after. We all can do it. But you know what? At the time of doing before and after numbers with 3 digits, so वन पॉइंट इज देयर जहाँ आप लोग मिस्टेक कर सकते हैं. सो कविता मैम पहले उसे ही एक्सप्लेन करेंगे. ओके. सो इफ द नंबर इज गिवन विद 99, let us say 399, or it could be 299, it could be 699, any number it could be. Okay. So the number is 399. So whenever the number will be 99, so you have to be more careful. Okay? So आपको ये always it should be in your mind that whenever we write down the counting, so what comes after 399? It is 400. Okay, children? Then the next will be 401, then 402, then 403, then 404, and so on. Okay, so 399 के बाद में क्या आएगा? Because 399, that means after 99 अगर one और step हम आगे जाएंगे, so 99 will convert into 100 और 300 we already have, so 399 के बाद में आएगा 400. In the same manner, if I ask what will be after 699, so it will be 700. Okay, what will be after 299, so it will be 200 के बाद में आता है 300, so it will be 300. So in the same manner, if I ask what will be before 400, 400 से पहले वाला नंबर, so 400 से पहले हमने कौन सा वाला काउंटिंग किया होगा? 300 का, so it will be 399. What will be before 700? It will be 699. And what will be before 300? It will be 299. So these are the only numbers that is with 99, 399, 400. Only these are the numbers with which you can get confused. So पहले आपको इसके साथ में बहुत अच्छे से practice करना है. Okay. So now tell me what will be after 599? 599. So what will be after 599? It will be 600, right? And what will be before 599? It will be 598. Okay. So children, you know what? When you have to write down the before and after number of 3 digits, so only जो अभी कविता मैम ने आपको बताया था ना, the numbers having 2 zeros, just like 400, 300, 500, or the numbers having 99, like 599, 899. At that time you have to read the number carefully and sort accordingly. उसके अलावा any number you can do it in a very easy way. Like if I have to write down the before and after of this number, this is what? 172. So you know what? 100 place का जो number है ना, वो बिल्कुल भी change नहीं होगा. You only have to look at these two numbers. Okay, and this we can easily do. So 172. What comes before 72? It's 71. So it will be 171. And what comes after 72? 173. So look, only these two numbers will be changed. ना अभी इसमें हमारा टेंथ प्लेस चेंज नहीं हुआ है, बट इट कैन बी चेंज. तो आपको इन 2 डिजिट्स को साथ में रीड करना है, and accordingly you will write down the before and after number. Right? Now let us try to solve some of your book exercise. Okay, so it is there on page number 23 of your math book. Okay, on the bottom of your sheet you have to write down the number just before and just after. So in the A part you have to write down the number that comes before and after 701. So 701. What will be before 701? It will be 700. Okay. And what will be after 701? It will be 702. So 701 से बिफोर रहेगा 700 and then 702. In the same manner in B part the number is given 740. Okay, so what will be the before number of 740? Now this is what? 40. So what comes before 40? 39. So 739. And what comes after 40? 741. Fine, kids? In the same manner you have to do this exercise. Okay, so keep practicing, keep doing your studies. Okay children, and do your homework on time. Kavita ma'am can ask to check your homework anytime. Okay, so till the time, bye bye, take care, have a good day.